Hey guys, welcome back to another Moondog Trading video. Tonight's video, we're going to talk about Bitcoin, Ethereum, Matic, Cardano, Solana, SHIB, Doge in that order. And guys, first we're going to start on the Bitcoin daily chart and everything that we talked about for my video. I think it was, I went out of town. We had Memorial Weekend. I hope everybody had a good time. But guys, we were preparing for this move here. Anywhere from, look, we got down to 28, what was it, 20... Let's get this right. Let's hide that. Let's lock on here. Let's get this lock on here. 2,800 even, right? So I said anywhere between this area, pretty much. Well, I have 27,829 and 28,137. In between that area, we were going to look for a bounce and a potential move to the upside. Now, this is a video I did. What was it? When did I do this video? This was on May 22nd. Today is now the 31st. Okay, we're gonna just listen to this real quick as I prepared you guys for pretty much the whole week. Based on the monthly, I'm looking at for more downside. Okay, but there could be a nice short term move to the upside where you guys can make some money here. Just don't get scared if this thing does go down to 25 or 27,500 or 2,800 and then get that pop that we're looking for a nice move, and then fill that gap, and everything pretty much what we talked about in yesterday's video. So could that happen within the next couple of weeks? Sure. That's what I think is going to happen, with crypto. So that's just my opinion, guys. I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I say is just my opinion. This is all education purposes only. Okay. Now look at that, guys. I told you guys that May 22nd that was going to happen, and look what happened, guys. It's exactly what we prepared for. Boom, got that move to 2,800. Bang to the upside. We got that bounce perfect, guys. I don't know. I don't know what else to say besides, my channel is a new channel. Make sure you hit the bell, hit the all, thumbs up, do everything you're supposed to do on YouTube because, it gets me motivated, guys. I get, sometimes I get a little frustrated, and I did go out of town, and I like when I'm doing videos, I like being in my spaceship. I call it my spaceship. I have monitors everywhere. Things are going. I have a big, huge setup here that I've been trading on. I upgraded it recently, but listen, guys, this is what we do. Okay, we got that move at 28. We talked about the move to the upside, big move to the upside. We talked about Ethereum hitting 17 even. We even talked about this move down here when we hit close to the bottom near the 25. I mean, look at that. That was our fib. So I know someone wanted me to explain the Fibonacci levels. I'm going to have to do like a whole video on that, guys, if you guys want to learn about that. Just on how it kind of works and what I like to look for. But once you understand it, guys, it's pretty simple. Okay. I will do that. Like I said, I just went out of town. I hope I prepared you guys. I mean, that was what on the 20th. Guys, when I made that video, I actually talked about it on the 21st too, and I think on the 20th. So I prepared you that for 3 days straight about going down to the levels of these levels and then getting that pop. Okay. So, I hope everybody took advantage of it. Do I still think we can fill this gap at the $35,000 level on Bitcoin? Yeah, but first we got to clear this area right here. We could see a little bit of a pullback, but we need to clear this area at 33 and then push our way up to that 35. And that's what I would be looking for. And then maybe a rejection from that point. Based on the monthly, let's look at the monthly, guys. I want to look at the monthly. I must have been back testing. Sorry about that, guys. Sometimes I do that. Back testing is always good. All right, so based on the monthly, let's see what we got. All right, we got the RSI still coming down. We have this MACD it'll continue to fall as long as we're, it's the end of the month. So this will change in about 3 minutes. So we'll come back to Bitcoin actually in a couple minutes here because some of this stuff is going to change on the chart. We do have momentum switching to the upside. on a downtrend. But we'll come back to that in a minute. Well, I do like the way this is actually. Let's see how this closes, guys. See how this thing closes on the monthly. But we'll get back to that, guys. We'll get back to the monthly. But based on the monthly, guys, I mean, right now I'm still looking at maybe an upside, fill the gap, and then come back down and actually go a little bit lower than that 25. Okay, so higher, lower, make some money like we talked about here. Then let's see what happens. Actually, look, we wait to see what happens at this 35. You can't, I don't want to say, hey, it's just going to get, but most likely we'll probably get rejected around that area. Some kind of pullback, and then just depends to see if this stuff holds. If 30,000 holds, yeah, then maybe we could see more of that. All right. Ethereum, we had that 1700. What did we have here? I had 219 based on this, or 2019 based on this one. Let's pull out. Look at my high right here, guys. We could not break that on that fib. Let's pull out a fib. Let's see what we got from here to, let's see, the last previous high. Boom. Boom right here. So let's see if we can, that 1848 to 1831 area holds up, especially on the next candle. Or let's see if we can get some kind of higher term time frame closing above that 2019, or even better, the 2150 area. Okay, if we could do that, then yeah, we could probably push up to that 24 level that we've been talking about. All right, and then we can watch Bitcoin move with it. Okay, because there's no guarantees that this could fill the gap. But let's look at the ribbon on Bitcoin actually real quick. We are holding up the daily. So let's see if 30,700 area holds. If we get it like a daily closing back under that, back under the 20 EMA, then yes, I would be looking for some more downside. Okay. Let's see what the monthly MACD says now. Let's curious. So far, do like that candle. Where's my MACD? Oh, right here. I got it hidden in the jungle of mess. Well, that's not it. That's the daily. The daily's looking good. Let's see. 46,470 now. Okay. So yeah, not much has changed there. Let's see what happens on this. We're gonna move on to Ethereum. Like I said, we want to get above those levels and see what happens at this level right here at the 1831 and the 1848 level. Matic. Let's see if that 56. Where did we get to the high here? We had on my video, we had this 69 level. We got to 68.4. That's pretty close. But let's see if we move up there on this next candle. Matic's been doing pretty good here lately. I mean, you guys can see this, hasn't 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days in a row of just nothing but green candles. So Matic's showing some strength. You always want to see some strength in this chart. Let's see if we could get some kind of fib here. There was boom, boom, boom. All right, let's see if that 61 area holds. The 61 area holds. If not, then we could see more downside and maybe test this area here right around 58 to 56. To the upside, higher term time frame, closing above that 67, then push up to this 69 to 70 cent range. And if we can hold something higher on a daily above there, then I'd be looking for that 73 to 75 range. Cardano, let's see, we had, let's see, it got down to 46. No, I'm sorry, it got down to 44.4. We had 40. Well, it was in between this fib, so I guess we did hit it, but I like to be a little bit more accurate with that. We were a little bit off. They front run this, guys. They do that, okay? They front run this move, and they front run this move. So we got the nice bounce we were looking for. They front runned us about a half a penny here, and they front runned us. Let's see, we had 70.5, and it got up to, let's just say 69. So they front run us a penny and a half here. Okay. Now that happens, guys. So what do we want to see? Well, let's see if this area right here holds up. Let's see if the 61 actually holds up. If not, then yeah, we could be seeing 59 maybe. And to the upside, of course, guys, we just want to see something higher than the previous high, which was coming in right around that 60. Let's just mark this out because this is becoming an old chart. I'm gonna have to delete this, guys. This is from my old video that we did, 8 days ago or 7 days ago. So yeah, so we definitely want to get above that area, coming in around 68.9 for more upside. Solana, guys, let's see. We were off a little bit on this one, actually. Looks like we were a dollar off, $1.25 off. Okay, from the bottom here, which, it's all about Bitcoin, guys. We look at Bitcoin and we look at the Bitcoin bounce. And this is what I'm going to go back. And I'm just going to tell you guys this over and over again. Bitcoin runs the market. Okay. So when we got this bounce back here, okay, we got this bounce back here into my fib right here. Look, guys, right here. We talked about it in my video, bouncing in this area right here. Boom. Right when it fell into this area that we had in our fib, that was go time. That was, okay, let's go. And that's for everything. That's for Ethereum, Matic, Cardano, everything. That's why sometimes things get front running, because Bitcoin says, hey, I'm going. Everybody says, oh, Bitcoin's going, we got to go. That's pretty much what happened here. What do I want to see with this Solana? Well, let's not make a new low here. Let's not make a low of 39.87. And let's see if we can get a higher term time frame, because we wicked it twice here, above 47.78 on a daily. And then maybe we can push back up to that 54 mark, 54.50. All right. Let's see. Shib Army, Shib Nation. Let's see. We had this fib at 10.5, and we got down to 10 and, was it 10 and some change here? We were a little bit off on that one too as well. What can we see? Well, we want to first break this trend that I drew up here. So anything above higher than 1235 on a daily candle, then yeah, we could push up to this 13 range, and maybe this 13.5 range. And let's see if this 11 holds up. If not, let's see if this the 10 holds up. I mean, that's pretty much what it comes down to. That's pretty simple on that one. Doge, guys, you couldn't play Doge any better than we played this. Look where my fib is, guys. Are you kidding me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I mean, guys, we had this before this happened. Came down, boom, bounced right up. I mean, it doesn't get any better than that. Listen, guys, you see this perfect. Say we're off. Say, okay, it's 17%. Say we're off on one of these other ones, and you see this one hit, which we nailed this one. We nailed Bitcoin. I think it was another one we nailed, but my whole point is it probably nailed Avalanche, which I haven't done. I guarantee if we look at Avalanche, we probably nailed that one too. But when you see this get nailed, this is easy, guys. This is easy. Okay, easy money. I mean, you could. This is. And guys, like I said, I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I say is just my opinion, education purpose only. But yeah, basically, guys, let's see if this 8 holds up. If not, then that 7, what is it? The 757 holds. That would be my next level to hold. To the upside, let's get it. Let's get a daily candle closing above. Look where we hit, guys. This is unbelievable. Above that 881 on a higher term time frame. Not wicked like this. Not wicked like this. Not wicked like this. Get a solid daily candle closing above there. Then maybe we could push up to this 9.5 and maybe even 10 area up here. Okay. So I think that's it for tonight's video, guys. Pretty simple, pretty basic stuff. Let's look at the daily on Bitcoin real quick and see what just happened here. Let's see. So far, I'm liking this daily candle. Let's see. Where could a rejection point be if we can't get past it here? Now, this is not. I don't like doing this. I don't like doing what I'm about to do. Because this usually, sometimes it works. If it clears this level, then we could probably push higher. So basically above 32. And we could probably push a little bit higher. I don't like doing this. Guys, I wouldn't be too confident in this. We're still looking at where we got in at. Okay, which is all the way down here. All right. We're still looking at where we got in at. We're still in major profit on everything we touched. Um, just the bottom line, guys. This is what we talk about. This is what we do. I'm very curious, though. I just want to take a look. I just want to take a look at. Let's take a look at Avalanche. Let's just peep it. I think it was on Binance we were looking at because we had to back test it. Look at this. Are you kidding me, guys? Come on, man. Let's just get rid of this fib right here so you guys can see a little bit better. Let's zoom in. Let's zoom in. What do we got? Well, we hit the bottom. Well, we wicked it. Well, it's about $1 off. I take that back. It looked better from a distance, didn't it? From right here. But we didn't get any closing. We just got a wick. It just wicked. They all closed above that 22. So let's see if that 22 holds up on Avalanche. That's just a freebie. So, I mean, all these are freebies, I guess. I'm doing all this for free, so it doesn't matter. But I think that's it for tonight's video, guys. And like I said, I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I say is just my opinion, educational purpose only. Make sure you guys, hit the bell, hit the all, comment, show me some love so it makes me motivated to do these videos. And yes, I will try to do a fib video. I keep forgetting about that. I got reminded when I just got on YouTube that some of you guys wanted to see that, so I do apologize for that. I'll try to get these videos out more frequently, but things pop up. I ended up going out of town. It was Memorial Day. I had some family call me up, and then I'm on the go from there. So I might try to get a nice laptop set up. I have one, but I don't really like it. I mean, nothing compares to my spaceship, so I'm always disappointed. But I'm working on something for to go. When I'm traveling and doing things that I want to do. So I'm working on that now as we speak. So that's it for tonight's video, guys. Much love to all you guys. I appreciate you guys watching. Just make sure you show me the love. That's all I'm asking for when I do these videos. So much love to all you guys, and peace out.